Yeah, this is me driving to work. Look at that. Can't see shit. It's not too bad some spots. Other spots can't see nothing. I'm almost at work though. A lot of drifts. Just the front of the road somewhere. Gotta pay attention here. That Irving. Oh, there's the barber shop. So I'm close. There's Irving. Next road on the left. Yeah, I'm only going 40. Fuck, can't see shit. Things I do to get paid. Where is it now? Here. See? Yeah, there it is. That's how much I can see in front of my every now and then you get a break where you can see. There's Daron stuck.